RAILER Tools just reached out and asked if I'd be willing to take a look at their new EVA Pro tool drawer organizer, and I said absolutely. So here it is, let's take a look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. This is just a quick one on this Pro Tool Drawer Organizer from RAILER Tools. Now I've got several other tools from RAILER Tools. They're clipped on here to my tool bags, including this little mag strap that I did a review on a while ago because they reached out and sent that to me when it was brand new, and I do like it. I do use it. It's a great little parts catch. But when they reached out and asked me if I'd be willing to take a look at this foam tray to organize my toolbox, I thought, wow, they must have seen the inside of one of my toolboxes because they are always a mess. This is exactly what I was looking for. It's got lots of large compartments here, and it also has a little removable bit holder. This isn't necessarily just a foam tray that you leave in your toolbox. You can also take this with you on the road. Now these do come in 4 different colors and 3 different styles. This one they just call it Stealth Black. It's got the black foam background. The top layer here that's like a reinforced layer, that's black on all of the different options. They also have this available in RAILER Orange, High Vis Green, or the Heavy Duty Red. Now this is made to be thin enough or low enough profile to fit in just about any toolbox. I think this is only 1.8 inches tall, so that fits in any of my toolbox drawers easily. Of course, I'm going to have to pull some of the junk out of there and organize it a little bit better before I put this in. You know, this is just a bunch of tools that I've got floating around in the kind of a junk drawer in my toolbox. You can see all the compartments here are different, so depending on what it is that you're trying to organize, of course you can customize that. You know, you can purchase several of these and they come in different sizes. This one here is 11 by 15.5. On the medium size, it's 7.8 inches this way and 11 inches that way. So you can do the math on all of the drawers in your toolbox and get everything organized or customized the way you want to. I mean, these can be turned any which way you want, and of course you can customize your toolbox however you'd like, depending on the size and the shape that you have in each drawer, and of course depending on how many tools or whatever tools you want to put in each drawer or in each compartment. That's something that I'm definitely lacking, is organization, but I can see how this can really help me get things straightened out and organized and probably make my life a little bit easier. So I definitely am happy with this. This is, I wish they would have sent me more than one, because now I kind of feel like I'm gonna need to pick up quite a few more to really get organized in some of my toolboxes. Let me take you over here just so I can show you. I'm not just saying that, but this is just one drawer, for example. I've got so much junk in here, I really do need to get organized. Well, there it is in the toolbox. You can see I'm in need of a few more, of course, just to get this all organized. I just threw in a few bits and punches and chisels and whatnot, and this one's pretty full and it looks pretty good. You can see that it fits in there easily. Still have room to spare up here on the top edge. So I think it's time I order up several more of these and go through all of my drawers and get things organized. I mean, this thing was overflowing. It was actually hard to close, and now everything fits in there a little bit easier. And as you can see on this side, I could definitely use another tray. This drawer looks like it'll easily hold 2, and I would still have a little bit of room in the middle for some of these items that are a little bit longer. But really happy with that. Glad that RAILER reached out and sent that to me. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up these tool drawer organizers as well from RAILER Tools. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.